out on the water. We got a whole setup here with fishing rods, batteries, motor. Such a nice day. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at the loon. Hello, loon. Look at that. It's like a whole wake behind us. Not bad for a little trolling motor. I'm gonna tie on some lures, see if we can catch some kind of pike or bass.
Yeah.
Sleeping baby.
Thomas. Oh. Wow, Thomas.
Wow, someone like that. Wow,
That's a big one.
Tricky.
Oh, look at that, Thomas. Someone like that. Thomas.
It's huge.
Thomas, you can't fish. Daddy catches a fish. Pig.
What is this, Thomas? Fish.
Oh,
Wow, it's a huge fish, Thomas. Wow, Thomas. Big. Turn it over here. Turn here. Wow. Huge fish. That was good fish. Ah. So funny, his face.
What's that?
Here you go, mommy. Mommy's fishing. Let's see if she catches anything. Maybe she's gonna get stuck again. Right, Thomas? Where are you going, Thomas? Are you fishing? Are you fishing? Yeah, Mommy fishing. Mommy fishing. Pat, pat, pat. Cut, cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. Clap your hand. Cut, cut.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand.
Cut, cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. Ponytail. Ponytail. 係咪？ Yeah. 瞓醒覺而家好精神啊嚇 It's not a pike. What is this? Oh, it's a snake. Oh my god.
Yeah, 鱼，你看，鱼跑上来了。Thomas， 鱼跑上来了。
This is a snakehead. Common.
Thomas， 你看鱼。Thomas， fish！ 哇！
Oh my god.
That's a big one.
Jeez. Look at the size of this thing. Holy
Wow.
shit. Thomas, what is this? Thomas, what are you eating? Huh? What are you eating there? Blueberry? A game? This is a blueberry fiend, right? Who eats so much blueberry? Huh? That was a pretty powerful fish. Now we're just heading back because Thomas is about to sleep again. Look at this guy. All he needs is food. We just bring a huge bag of blueberry, he'll fish all day with me. Yeah, you know what you're talking about. Yeah, thank you. Too far, I can't reach. Too far. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. What is that, Thomas?
Look at how many people fishing are here.